20 Gmail settings you need to change for productivity. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you use Gmail every day, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through 20 essential Gmail settings that will declutter your inbox, boost your productivity, and even help protect your privacy. These changes are simple to implement but make a huge difference in how you manage your email. My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Let's dive right in. Key Gmail settings to update. Disable snippets. Turn off email previews to declutter your inbox view. Go to Settings, General Snippets, and select Off. Turn off hover actions. Disable quick access buttons for a cleaner interface. This improves inbox load time. Set undo send to 30 seconds. Maximize the time to stop emails from sending. Find this in Settings General Undo Send. Enable keyboard shortcuts. Activate shortcuts like K, Next Email, E, Archive, and V, Label and Archive for faster navigation. Enable Auto Advance. Process emails efficiently by jumping to the next email automatically after archiving or deleting. Default reply to reply. Set your default reply behavior to avoid accidental reply all mishaps. Turn off personalized ads. Reduce data tracking by disabling personalized ads in Google Settings. Disable nudges. Prevent Gmail from suggesting follow-ups or replies, which can be distracting. Adjust signature settings. Enable insert signature before quoted text for a cleaner, more professional look in replies. Hide chat and Google Meet on desktop. Declutter your sidebar by disabling unused features under Settings, Chat, and Meet. Clean up labels. Hide unused labels like all mail, spam, and trash. Keep only the essentials visible. Disable Gmail categories. Hide tabs like social and promotions to maintain control over email organization. Import filters. Use pre-made filters to automate email sorting. You can import custom filters for free, link in the description. Enable templates. Save common email drafts as templates for quick access. Find this under Settings, Advanced, Templates. Set up Gemini features. If you're a Google Workspace user, enable smart features and personalization for AI-driven suggestions. Choose a minimalistic theme. Use a clean, distraction-free theme like Android Minimalistic for better focus. Customize swipe actions on mobile. Set swipe gestures for archive and move to quickly sort emails on the go. Adjust mobile conversation list density. Pick a denser or more spacious layout to suit your viewing preference. Enable chat and Meet on mobile. Keep all communication tools in one view for convenience while using Gmail on your phone. Turn off additional diagnostics on iOS. Disable extra data reporting under Settings, Data Privacy for better privacy, while keeping smart features enabled. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more tips to increase your productivity.